Altair's Noise, Vibration, and Harshness Director is the most advanced full vehicle assembly building framework on the market. It enables the implementation of global NVH best practices while covering the entire NVH workflow, from model setup, assembly management, to post-processing. The assembly browser helps to efficiently manage complicated full vehicle assemblies and individual configurations. It provides dedicated views to quickly understand and build the entire model database. The configuration view lists all modules specific to a configuration. A dedicated browser hosts a comparison tool to see the contents of individual configurations. The network view is another essential visualization tool. It shows how the vehicle parts are connected amongst each other. Due to the seamless integration of browser, network view, and graphics area, parts are highlighted in all three places when selected. A preview for each subassembly in the network view is available when clicking on them in the diagram. From the assembly browser, a visual summary of the ID ranges used in the model can be opened. NVH Director contains a tool to generate reduced models of subsystems for component mode synthesis or component dynamic synthesis analyses. After completion of the model setup, modal check runs can be launched in batch mode. The Analysis Manager handles all aspects of defining a load case simulation event. Users can set up generic or standard load cases and associate them to specific or all configurations. The Analysis Manager hosts a review tool to compare the created analyses against each other. It also helps with creation of batch jobs and submitting analyses. The progress of all running analyses can be monitored in the Job Manager. Post-processing and results diagnostics are fully integrated in the NVH Director. A diagnostic results dialog provides a catalog of NVH results and allows mapping of NVH responses to diagnostic results. Post-processing capabilities include modal participation, grid participation, transfer path analysis, and others. They help in understanding the physical mechanism and root causes of NVH problems, helping to lead to effective solutions.